Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session on regional collaboration through ArcGIS Hub deployment. My name is Behesha Makari. I'm a planner with Southeast Michigan Council of Governments Economic and Community Vitality Department. Today, I'm hoping to cover three main areas, including introduction, project development, as well as project implementation. Okay, let's start with the introduction. SEMCOG is a regional planning partnership of governmental units in Southeast Michigan striving to enhance the region's quality of life. A few facts about SEMCOG regional planning context. More than 4.7 million people live in a 7-county region, which includes 94 cities, 115 townships, and 24 villages, as you can see in this map. Southeast Michigan region also includes 49 post-educational institutions, over 25,000 miles of public roads, over 2,900 bridges, and 8 international border crossings. And as it relates to my presentation today, I would like to provide you with more information about the Southeast Michigan Bicycle and Pedestrian Mobility Network. Southeast Michigan region includes over 1,200 miles of shared use path, 350 miles of bike lane, and 24,000 miles of sidewalk. With that introduction, let's move to project development. In this section, I would like to talk about how this project began, what Esri product we used to develop this project. For this purpose, I'm going to jump into a story map to tell the story of this project. So, SEMCOG Trails Condition Project is a project with the main goal of enhancing the maintenance, safety, and usability of trails and paths in Southeast Michigan. To give you a little bit of a background, in March 2020, SEMCOG adopted the Bicycle and Pedestrian Mobility Plan for Southeast Michigan, and several policies and actions within the plan identified the need for development of a system that enables communities to evaluate the condition of the trails in the region and prioritize their maintenance needs based on the funding available. So SEMCOG developed this project with the main priorities including collecting, reporting, and prioritizing surface conditions that affect the maintenance needs, safety, and usability of trails and paths in the region, as well as collecting and evaluating safety features along the trail or path, such as signage, pavement marking, lighting, etc. We are also looking at collecting and evaluating trail amenities, which enhance the trail user's experience. For this purpose, SEMCOG selected ArcGIS Quick Capture, which is one of the ESRI mobile apps specifically designed for rapid field data collection. ArcGIS Quick Capture allows users to capture time, location, as well as the attribute of assets or incidents as they travel. It also allows users to capture both photos and sensor information from the device, as you can see in this demo. So as far as the project design, the available configuration options made Quick Capture app customizable. So SEMCOG, as the author of the project, was able to configure the arrangement of groups and buttons, how they appear, and the information they collect. As you can see here, we embedded the Quick Capture designer on this story map. And you can see this enables us to design the this SEMCOG Trails Condition project for different devices, include icons, require photos and notes, make or change the arrangement of groups, and also include a result map on the project in the application. Next, SEMCOG developed a comprehensive guidebook for users. This guidebook gives the users a better understanding of what data we are looking to capture. For example, here you can see we are looking at capturing different trail types, different surface type, trail condition by surface type in 5 categories and 3 categories. A safety aspect of this project is collecting traffic control devices as well as type of crossing. We're also looking at collecting different type of signage, hazard along the trail, as well as trail amenities. So here, the demo of the project shows how the project allowed users to record multiple features simultaneously. Some of the quick capture features include, once downloaded, the project can be used online as well as offline. An external GPS receiver can be used to improve the accuracy of the location capture. There is a sound feature which would read the label on each button as the user press them. And users can edit a record for a short time after the record is captured. The record can be either deleted or the location can be changed. Quick Capture also provides us with near real-time result. You can see here the result of the pilot. So we pilot this project across the region from downtown Detroit to one of the metro parks within the region. So coming back to the presentation, we envision this for communities to be able to access the Trails Condition project within the Quick Capture app and start collecting data along the trail. Let's move to the project implementation. So utilizing ArcGIS hub capacities, we created a one-stop shop destination for the participant. ArcGIS Hub Initiative site enabled us to explain the Trails Condition project step by step, provide participants with the necessary resources, and track the progress. So now I would like to provide a demo of the Trails Condition Hub site. So as you can see here, SEMCOG utilized ArcGIS Hub to create the Southeast Michigan Trails Condition site. In the project site, we included project goals as well as the workflow of the project, which includes request an account, download the project, collect data, and stay connected. Under the first step of the project workflow, we require one representative from each community or organization within the region to request an ArcGIS online account. This approach gives us flexibility in terms of monitoring and managing who is accessing the project. Through Hub, we embedded a Survey 123 form, which provides us with information about the interested communities. It also gives us a better understanding of which trails communities are planning to capture using this project. As you can see here, communities are required to, one representative from the community is required to fill in the name, email, phone number, the community or organization they're representing, their role or title, And we included a list of the regional trails within the region, as well as an other option, so they can type in the name of trail they're wishing to collect. We also included a checkbox agreement. So by using this project, a participant would understand and agree that the data captured will be shared with SEMCOG and available to view on SEMCOG website and hub site. We also included contact information in case communities have questions about requesting that data. When a community requests an account, we will create the account for them and add the account to the ArcGIS Hub Initiatives content group, which the Trail Condition project is also shared with that content group. Next, participants would be able to use that assigned ArcGIS Online account to download the Trail Condition project. Through Hub, we explained how participants can install and configure the ArcGIS Quick Capture mobile app on their device. We included information on device requirement, as well as a link to the ArcGIS Quick Capture application. We also included the QR code for communities to easily access the project on their device. Under data collection, we are encouraging and suggesting to communities to consider using a GPS receiver to improve the accuracy of their position. We included a link to the GPS receivers that are compatible with ArcGIS Quick Capture, as well as explain how to configure Quick Capture app to use that receiver. Under Start Collecting Data and through Hub, we were able to embed a modified version of the story map that I shared with you earlier for participant reference. Here you can see this story map includes the user guidebook at a glance, as well as access to project demo, which participant will be able to use this for their reference, how to use that assigned ArcGIS Online account and log in. Then it would direct them to their workspace on Quick Capture app. Then they would be able to use the scan the QR code and download the project on their device. This story map also includes a link to the data collection demo, which I shared with you earlier, on how to collect data using this project. Through Hub, we also were able to embed a link to the downloadable comprehensive user guidebook. So participants will be able to click on this link on their device and download a PDF version of the comprehensive guidebook and have it with them in the field. This guidebook includes detailed information about the project, how to access the project, possible errors, how to address them, edits, and how they can delete data, data recovery process, GPS information, as well as the different buttons, description, and images. Going back to the Hub site, under next step, we encourage communities to stay connected and by following this initiative to receive project updates from SEMCOG. We also embed web maps from the project pilot result, as well as the actual Trails Condition project result. As you can see here, participants will be able to zoom in, click on a linear feature, get the information for that, as well as point features, and view the attachment for that point feature. Last, on the landing page of this initiative site, we included the contact information in case communities or participants have questions regarding the project. Moving to the training and frequently asked questions. Back in October 2020, we held a project training with interested communities and organizations within the region. Recorded that training and embedded the recording on the hub for participant reference. We also included a frequently asked questions section in this page and try to cover all the questions that we received throughout that training session. One being the format that the project results are available. Another feature that made ArcGIS Hub initiative a great fit for implementation of this project is that participants would be able to access the project feature layers through this link data. As you can see, all the feature layers from that the Trails Condition project is listed here. And communities and participants can use these to create their own maps. They also will be able to access the documents for this initiative, which here is the guidebook and the frequently asked questions. They also will be able to access the applications and web maps. For example, here we have the story map as well as the project result. All organized and all in one place. This initiative is ongoing, and we are hoping that communities and organizations use the result of this project to prioritize their maintenance work as well as creating support documents for their grant application. SEMCOG found ArcGIS Hub initiative a great fit to collaborate with communities in the region to implement this project. So this would conclude my presentation. Here is my contact information. Please feel free to reach out with any questions that you might have regarding this project or initiative. And I encourage you to visit SEMCOG website at semcog.org to learn more about the SEMCOG work in Southeast Michigan region. Thank you so much and have a great day.